Good morning, everyone. It's Muriel here, and I hope we all had a wonderful 4th of July. Yesterday was a beautiful day here, and I think the fireworks lasted until midnight, and then there were a couple of odds and ends, booms and bangs that we heard, but for the most part, it was durable. So I wanted to come on this morning really early, get started, and share with you my Christmas tag number 2. As I am working on another collection, I'm working with the Merry Days collection doing tags. And then yesterday I went to Target and Daiso, so I wanted to share with you a haul, but I'll probably do it on a separate video after this one. So my inspiration for tag number 2 came from this little pack that was sent to me in a rack last year. I did an embellishment swap with Becky Shear over on Instagram, and I shared with you guys the embellishment pack that she gave me. It had all these yummy goodies, and she had it all in this cute plastic bag. And inside was this little kit where you could make this yourself. So she gave me cutouts of the reindeer, the flower with the gem, some gold bows for the antlers, and these red noses, and there were pink noses as well. So I still have some antlers left in there. I thought this was a great idea. Definitely one that I'll be using for racks coming up for Christmas, is to cut out a die and then send them all the goodies to put it together. Great idea. And that's what I did. I started out with making a vellum envelope, a very small vellum envelope, using my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, the small one. And I used vellum again, and then I used some of the washi tape, 2 types of the washi tape to go around the envelope. This is one of the tags from the Snow and Cocoa collection. I stapled the vellum bag to the tag, and then I put together the little antlers and glued that to the top, and then just added some of the smaller chipboard pieces, puffy stickers, and some of the ephemera. There's nothing in the envelope. It's just housing all the items on the outside, and then attached a string to it. I also used some of the Nuvo dots and put some white snow on the tip of his antlers, you can see. So that is that tag. And this one here, I used one of the Snow and Cocoa snowflakes in the background. And again, lots and lots of the puffy stickers. And this tag back here looks like that. And it's stapled here with the Tim Holtz tiny attacher, so it could be easily lifted up. This is one of the gold snowflakes from the pack. And you can see some of the reindeers. They're all different colors. You can see there's khaki, that pink one, and then she had cut them out in gold. Just a fabulous idea. Okay, really cute. I also used some of those little stars from the puffy sticker pack. And that looks like that one there. That is the teal color snowflake. Again, here is a white reindeer. And also, I did put eyes on the reindeer. She gave them to me. They just had a blank face, which is fine, but I just thought, just a difference. It really gives it some character. And this is chipboard piece, the puffy sticker, and some of the blue twine. My envelopes came like different sizes. It was just weird. I thought I was cutting them all out the same, but some of them were more thinner. And again, this is a good way to use up some washi tape. So that was that one there. They almost look like tea bags. Okay, and there's this one here, another light mint green snowflake in the background. And that's one of the puffy stickers, chipboard, and the washi tape. Those 2 colors, black and white and the mint green. And then that cute tag there. Some of the tags had circles, and where it did, I added one of the Prima gold reinforcements. I just picked those up from KG and Crafts. or KG Crafts for Me, her online store. And then this one here, the cute snowman, the chipboard piece, the puffy sticker. This one had a pink snowflake. And again, you can see the antlers with the snow on them. I didn't use a lot of the bows for the, where she initially had the bow. I just stuck with the flower. Okay, and then that tag's perfect. It has that to and from on the back. And then my last one has the cut apart of the snow mountains. And I added some Nuvo drops to the snow to make it a little more dimensional. And there we go. Those are my tags number 2, my little snowman vellum envelopes. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another tag in the middle of the week, still with the Snow and Cocoa collection. I haven't finished sharing all of those with you yet, and then I'll be moving on to the Merry Days. That's another collection that I kind of hoarded that I am opening up and using. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until my next video. Bye now.